What's up, all my stock market investors? It is ShPena. I'm back again with another Cash App investing video. Today I'm going to be talking about how to buy stocks, and I'm going to be sharing a few little tips, little things that I look towards when I'm looking to buy stocks, as well as when to buy in to stocks. When is the right time? I get a lot of people that ask me these type of questions. I even get people that I have conversations with that they're interested in buying stocks. That may be you listening. You're interested in buying stocks, but you can't wrap your head around it. So hopefully I can make it a little simpler with this quick little video. It's Friday, y'all. Hope everybody's had a good week. Stocks are recovering a little bit. But before I talk further, I do want to show my appreciation to you. You. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're a subscriber, thank you. I appreciate you more than ever. Shoot me something in the comments. Let me know what's up. Say what's up. Happy Friday. Anything you like, it's all appreciated. All the thumbs up, all the likes, everything's appreciated. So continue with all that. And I just wanted to stop real quick to show my appreciation. With Cash App, it's very simple. You get money from your account, and you just pick something, Apple. I know Apple. I got an Apple iPhone. And then you buy how much ever you want. And then you watch it go up, go down, go up, go down. It's very simple. One of the first things I look at when I'm going to buy a stock is the 5-year chart. And I recommend it. And if there's anything else that you recommend, make sure you put it in the comments below so that people can see if I don't mention it. I look at the 5-year chart, and you may ask why. Why look at the 5-year chart if I'm on where I'm talking about today? Well, the 5-year chart is going to show me where the company's going. What's the trajectory? If the 5-year chart is showing like a downward slope, then that means that they've been going down, and they were probably on their way down before the pandemic. If there was just straight across, that means they were ranging. And if there's an incline on their 5-year chart, then that means they were on their way up. And if they're continuing, that means it's a good company to invest in. As we go into this pandemic, scary last stretch here. So that's one of the first things I look at. And that's going to tell me right off the bat whether where is the company headed, their 5-year chart. And that's just with data. Data is going to usually tell you a lot of things. So looking at the 5-year chart has helped me a lot, tremendously. Before I move on to my next little tip or what I look for, I do want to share a stock that maybe you should have on your watch list. You let me know what you think about this stock. I think it's pronounced Vale, whatever. It's on Cash App. They're a mining company, and why I'm interested in them, well, they're in talks with Tesla now. So they have they can get nickel, and Tesla needs nickel to produce these batteries because Tesla have their own style of batteries. And for me, that's the future. That's the resource. You can't have the Tesla car without the battery. So I'm very interested in Vale. Someone correct me. It's either Vale or Vale. I'm very interested in them. They're trading at like $11 right now. Very close to their 52-week high. But you never know if they can strike a deal with Tesla. Listen, trust me, keep them on your watch list. If they can strike a deal, it's going to be good. It's definitely going to be good. And that just brings me into my next little tip is look at the 52-week average. Right? With stocks, you have to look at data. You have to look at stats, as well as taking some of the news that's being put out there. But you don't always want to buy when it's closer to the 52-week high, unless you have some type of news that you feel like there's going to be a new 52-week high. Usually, when you buy at the high, you're putting yourself at risk for it to drop either midway between the low and the high. So it's an opportunity for you to lose money, actually, if there's no evidence that shows you that there can be a new higher high. So that's something that you should look into, the 52-week high. And next is, I'm going to share another stock that I want to put out there. I've spoken about this stock before, Canopy Growth. Kamala Harris said that they're going to try to decriminalize people that are in jail for pot. And that just boosted the pot stocks up plus 10% for most of them. I'm a holder in Canopy, and I'm always selling and buying Canopy because think about it. This is what you can do. If your positioning isn't good, right? Like I have pretty good numbers in Canopy, so I'm always going to be up on them because I invested in them on the dip. But when great news comes, and if you're not making great money on your stock, when great news comes and you see it hit a high or it goes above what you paid for it, sell it, wait till it drops, and then buy back in. Like what I've learned in my almost 1 year dealing with the stock market is that, you know, some stocks are just, they're volatile. They're volatile to anything. You know, I'm a strong believer that I know Canopy is going to dip again. And then there's just going to be another opportunity for me to buy. And when they rise, it's an opportunity for me to sell, take some profits, and put some money aside to invest in other companies or even invest back into Canopy. You really have to find the patience. I know a lot of people have lost their patience. They maybe lost money. You know, I got people in the chat. Shout out all my chat people. And if you want to be part of the chat, make sure you shoot me a DM above. I got people in the chat that, you know, they're calling it, you know, they said they're going to put it down for right now until after the election. It's too volatile for them. But this is where you get it. The volatility, you just got to use it to your advantage. It's a good time to gamble. So if you're investing in the stock market, and I've never even shared this, my goal is to just get you, the watcher, the viewer, to just invest something. It don't got to be everything you got. Just invest something so you can have another source of income down the road 5 years from now. So if you're an investor, if you're investing in the stock market, say I in the comments below. Shout out to you if you are. And if you aren't, we're going to get you there. We're going to get you there. Even if it's one video, even if it's 15 videos from now, 20 videos from now, we're going to get you comfortable because that's what I'm here for, to break it down in the most simplest way. I'm not going to give you all the technicals. I'm here for the simple breakdown just to get you interested enough so that you can invest and hopefully make some money down the road. I appreciate you for watching. I hope you have a great weekend. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe.